Hello friends, welcome to this channel. In earlier video, we show what is sanity testing and what is smoke testing. And in this video, we are going to learn what is the major difference between smoke testing and sanity testing. This is one of the important question, and this question is often asked by people in their interviews. So let's see what is the major differences. Smoke testing. So, smoke testing is also called as build verification testing, that is BVT, or confidence testing. Now, as the name suggests, build verification testing, smoke testing is done to verify a build and to check that all the critical functionalities are working. So, as soon as we get a new build, we run a set of tests which are called a smoke test, and it verifies that the critical functionality is working. So that in case something critical is missing, we can reject the build right there and we do not send it for further testing, and the QA team does not waste their time and effort because anyways they will be getting a new build soon and they will have to do the entire testing again. So to save the time and effort of QA team, we do a smoke testing first and make sure that the build is ready for further QA testing. So the goal of smoke testing is to check and assure that if there are any flaws in the build, it can be rejected and is not sent for further QA testing. And smoke testing can be done right from build number 1. So even if the application is not stable, we can still run smoke tests. So check the critical functionalities are working and then send the build for further QA testing. Smoke testing is a subset of acceptance testing. So there are a set of tests that we run as accepted tests at the end before releasing the product or the application. So smoke testing can be a subset of this acceptance test. Now let's talk about sanity testing. Sanity testing is also called as surface level testing, and it is done to verify a new functionality or a bug fix in a build, and it checks that the build is stable for further testing. So if anything is wrong with the new functionality or with the bug fix, it can be rejected right there and it's not sent for further testing, and the QA team does not have to invest their time and effort and does not waste any time in testing this build. And the main goal of sanity testing is to check that the purpose modifications or the changes or the bug fix works at intended, and sanity testing is mostly done on a stable build. So unlike smoke testing which can be done right from build number 1, it is generally done when the application or the build are not stable, and in general sanity test can be a subset of regression test. I hope you all guys are now clear with this topic, like what is smoke testing and what is sanity testing, what are the differences. If you have any doubt or any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.